brunettes. Come on right up here.
Is
that how much time we have left?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be quick. Lately, I've been kind of inspired by gems and stuff like that, so I've kind of been creating this gem collection. And I really wanted to accent how beautiful brunette hair can be. So I actually did a technique using our cream lightener and our new 5NRG. Sherry had talked about the 5NRG. This is the person that we would use it for in the demi creams. I literally did a pattern where I wove it with the shape of her head. I literally did my foils going all the way around her head, all the way around her head, all the way around her head in super, super fine sections. I love this because I wanted it to be gem-like. Did you notice when she walks in and out of different lights how it reflects in different spots of the hair? We went over the whole thing with the 6RR Lumishine liquid demi with a little bit of 3V in there to give it that jewel-like tone. I think it's super shiny. I think it's super gorgeous. She looks like a movie star. Brunettes can be sexy and fun and deep and rich and luscious, and this is the kind of work that I absolutely love doing.
Mark,
Thanks.
that's stunning.
Thank
Seriously
you.
stunning.
I think we agree that before and after might be my favorite.
I'm sorry?
I think we all agree that might be the best before and after.
All right, everyone, here's our gorgeous Savannah. Take a look at her before. She had the nice, classic, long brunette hair. I'm gonna actually give Savannah this because I wanna show you guys. Let me step back just a touch. When you shake it around, all of her movement is all inside. It's a technique that the wonderful Stephen Wang, Fashion Dragon, and I created about a year ago. He's like, stop pointing to me. And basically what it is, he cut her hair, and I created, it's called Dancing in the V. And what it is, on each side of the part, you can see with Savannah, her part line is a heavy left side part, going over towards the right. So her V, fattest side of the V is from the top of the hairline to right above her ear. And then it goes back to the back of her nape into a point. That is my living color, all inside of that. And then I go to the left side and do the same thing. I have a heavy V here and go into a point. Inside of those V's, I then went in and balayaged. Only inside those V's. That's why all that character is within the inside. And then once I finished that, I went and did over the top a little baby lights to create a little bit of lightness on that scalp area. And then again, did another root shadow, and we root shadowed with Lumishine DD Cream, remember my new favorite tool, and then refresh the ends with the Lumishine liquid. She is the SB baby. On her retouch, it was 6 SB Silver Blue, root shadowed, and then refresh those middlings and ends with an 8 SB liquid, equal parts 7 and 9. Do you guys love it?
Yeah.
I love it. Shake it around a little one. And then think about this, with the Dancing in the V, it's not just to create lightness inside. If she was a blonde, I could create some depth within with some dimensional deeper pieces. You make it whatever you see here, right? Correct? And you guys, grab your phone, get your phone out. Are you ready? Go to your Instagram account and type in Sherry Rattay and follow me. And here's why. You will receive all the formulas from my beautiful models that Mark and I did. So please do. Thank you so much. And thank you, Savannah. Hey, guys, this is my daughter.
Aww.
Thank you, Savannah. I'll take my comb back. Thank you.
Sherry is an amazing balayager. I mean, really, really amazing. I stopped doing what I was doing to watch her in the back room.
Oh,
all right,
thanks.
so real quick, I'm gonna just touch base on this real quick because it's very important. Those of us who are in a pinch, the clients that schedule for a partial highlight, and then they come in and they go, I actually wanna be way brighter, and you don't have the time and you're in a pinch. These are key points of really not being shy with dimension to really make a woman feel so much brighter in a pinch. And it consists of only about 18 foils. It's going heavy in the nape area, right in here. As you guys can see that heavy dimension in there. Can you see that underneath? Remember, that swings around and lays on the clavicle bone on the skin, reflecting back onto the face, adding glow and pop. You want to go heavy behind the ear to lay and swing on the skin around the jawbone. You want to go heavy in front of the ear to lay onto the cheekbone, and you work your way up to get that nice bold piece to really hit around the brow and eye color to really make that pop. So those key dimensional areas to not be shy in will change your life and make a woman feel so much brighter, especially stepping into the fall. Not that we're doing that now, but I'm saying when we do, it's a great way to really add vibrancy and pop to a beautiful brunette. So yeah, thank you,
Perfect.
Adriana.
Thank you.